Today's home workout with your qualified trainer Lucy Wyndham-Read is an indoor walking workout. Now this is just 5 minutes. We're going to be walking at home, but this low impact is going to really get you feeling amazing. You don't need any equipment, it's apartment friendly. We've got some really lovely indoor walking exercises, just 5 minutes. So if you're ready, let's start walking at home. So here's a preview of the first move. It is simply just going to be a marching on the spot. So if you just come into position, and now let's start walking. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to do approximately 30 seconds of doing this calorie burning fast walk. So you're just going to really walk at a fast pace, and then we're going to do intervals where we're doing steps and sculpting. So just make sure you're landing nice and softly with your feet. Really use those arms as well. That's good. So we're going to keep going till we reach the top with that arrow, and then you're just going to follow along with the next move. All right, that's good. We're right to the top. So now we're going to look at doing some steps and sculpts. So we're going to step 2 steps, and when you've got used to doing the steps, then add in alternating punches. So we're just doing 2 side lateral steps. Give me those punching arms. And again, we're doing this for approximately 25 to 30 seconds, all the way till we reach the top on that timer bar. That's good. Keeping that going. So it's just doing that side step for 2 with that power punch. All right, and now let's just bring it straight back now to your fast calorie burning walk. And with this, what you could do, make the most of the room that you've got. So if you're at home, just walk forwards and backwards, walk from one end of the room to the other. So you're really going to get lots of steps in, keeping that going. Using the arms as well. Land nice and softly. All right, that's good. And keeping that going till we reach the top. And then we're going to take it back to another sculpt and step. So for this one, all I want you to do now is step 1 foot behind and just reach one arm over from one side to the other. Reaching that across, so it's a little bit of a diagonal move, stepping that behind. And if you're on Facebook, definitely come and find us on Lucy's Squad. It is a really lovely online community all about supporting each other on our health journeys. All right, so let's bring it straight back now to that calorie burning fast walk. Just walk as fast as you can for me. Make sure you're doing it with good posture. And this is just a quick 5-minute indoor walking workout. And the great thing is you can do this 2 or 3 times a day. You can do it in the morning, lunchtime, and in the evening. All right, let's just keep going, power that up. Landing nice and softly with those feet. And let's have a look at your next move. So for this one, we're going to do 2 side steps and just push your arms in front for 2. And the benefit of doing the lateral moves, lateral being sideways, just means now we're really targeting a little bit more into your inner and outer thighs. And as I always say, if you don't want to have me coaching you as your online trainer, you can simply press mute and listen to one of your favourite songs. All right, that's good. Let's just keep going. So you can see the timer there. We've nearly got less than 2 minutes. So it's really super quick. And let's now just bring it straight back now to that fast walk. That's good. Keep that going. Nice control. Remember, land nice and softly with those feet. And walking is one of the best ways that we can really look after our health. And if you are looking for perhaps a slightly more detailed program, I do have a brand new 21-day online course, which is all about healthy eating, walking. It's everything you need. I'll leave all the details in the description down below. Now, let's bring it straight back now to doing a steps and sculpt. So this time you're going to do 2 side steps and then just give me a knee lift. So 2 side steps and a knee lift. That's good. So again, just taking it back to that lateral move. Traveling that across. And just going from one side to the other. So you can see there, I've nearly finished today. So let's just keep going to the end. All right, that's good. And now bring it straight back to me for that last little bit today, that really fast power walk. And remember, if at any point you want to, you can even take these to a little bit of a light jog. Let's just keep going. And this is just a really fun way. In 5 minutes, you can quickly just increase your step count. We can just boost your calorie burn. And the great thing is, you can come back and do this workout several times throughout the day. All right, that's good. So let's have a look at the final move we're going to do. So this time now we're going to do a double side step and then double arm punches in front. Just push those arms in front. That's good. And double side step. Just keep going to the end. That's it. And just make that move nice and fast. Traveling that from one side to the other all the way till we reach the end. That's good. And last little bit, 3, let's go 2 and then 1. Okay, well done. So what I want you to do, just take a deep breath in for me and deep breath out, and just think what you've just done, you have just invested in your future health. So well done, you did it. There is your high five. Now, what you could do, if you want to carry on doing a little bit more exercising at home, you could do any of my 5-minute hair toning workouts. I've got so many for you to choose from. That's the playlist. Or alternatively, if you are finished for today but want to do some nice stretching, click up here, come and do a cool down stretch. And well done for today. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.